In this lesson, you'll learn how to create a referral campaign from a template. Once you've got a template set up, you can use your template to create an email campaign. It's important to remember that a template is just a layout design, which is the first step to creating a campaign. To get started, log into Set and Forget Marketing. If you haven't already created a template design, we recommend first going to the template library to do this. Select Create a New Campaign. Since I already have a template ready, I'm going to select Template and choose a design. The Email Creator option is also available, however please note that any template designs created via this method will not be saved to your template library. Now I'll select the Referral category. If you need to make any changes to the template, you can select Edit. Once you're finished editing, click Use this template. You're now in your campaign editor. You'll notice that all the setup options are broken into separate tabs. You'll first be presented with the Layout tab. This tab contains your template with editing options. You can make any additional changes to the design here, however these changes will only be reflected in this campaign and won't update the original template in your library. First, you'll need to enter a subject heading for the email that your clients will see. You may wish to use a personalized field such as the client's name to help grab their attention. On the right-hand side, there are 3 checkboxes available. It's important to leave this box ticked if you want to track the performance of your links through your campaign summary. The online viewing option will allow the client to open the email in their browser if they're having trouble viewing it via email. The Refer a Friend link will give clients the option to forward the email to a friend. Just keep in mind that this option may not be suitable for every campaign. If you'd like to see a preview of the campaign, you can use these buttons to see what it will look like on a computer and on a mobile device. Once you've made any necessary changes in the Layout tab, press Save and Continue to move to the next tab. You'll then need to fill out the Send options. Start by entering a campaign name. Make sure that the campaign name is clear and directly relates to the campaign content. The campaign name won't be sent to your clients, but it will appear in your campaign manager and reports. Then choose the frequency. I want this to be a Set and Forget campaign, which means it'll be an ongoing campaign. Next, choose the event that will trigger the campaign to be sent out. In this case, it's the visit date of the client who was referred. Then choose whether it's an actual date or an anniversary. A referral campaign sends because of the actual visit date for the client who was referred. Next, choose when the campaign sends. You'll need to ensure that your client's referral details are entered in their client cards prior to the email being sent. Because of this, we recommend setting it to 3 days after to ensure that you have plenty of time to update their details. Then choose when the campaign will begin sending. You'll also be required to enter a finish date for the campaign. You may wish to choose a date that's far in the future to ensure this continues sending until you're ready to change the campaign. Then select the time the campaign will start sending each day. Leaving this option ticked will ensure that any duplicate clients in your system will not receive the email more than once. Confirm and edit your sent from and reply to details where required. Then press Save and Continue. In the Demographics tab, you can choose to restrict the clients who receive this campaign. As we can see here, it's currently going to be sent to all members, which means all clients. If you only want to send the campaign to a particular group of clients based on their demographics, you can add a scenario. For example, you may wish to send a promotion only targeted at female clients. To do this, you would click the Add Scenario button, then choose Core Demographics. Select Personal Details, select Gender, and tick Female. You'll see that the green box now says it will only be sent to female clients. At this point, you would normally press Save and Continue, but in my case, I'm going to remove the scenario as I actually want to send this campaign to all clients. I'll then press Save and Continue. If you've offered a promotion in your campaign, you can create a promotion code to track your return on investment. Select the appropriate promotion code, or if this doesn't apply to you, simply press Save and Continue. If you don't already have a suitable promotion code, you can create a new one. To create a promotion code, first save your campaign. Then go to the Admin menu and select Promotion Codes. Press Create New, then enter the relevant details and press Save. To get back to your campaign, return to the home page and click on Edit a Draft. Select the campaign you were working on, return to the Promotion Code tab, and select the code you just created. Then press Save and Continue. The Social tab allows you to post the campaign to your social media pages, which is a great way to reach more clients and save time by creating the post directly in your campaign. This is only relevant for once-only campaigns. Because this is an ongoing campaign, I'm just going to select Save and Continue. The last step before activating a campaign is to send yourself a test. Simply select your name at the top and press Send Test. You can add additional addresses here if you wish to send the test to multiple users. You'll then need to thoroughly check the test email by proofreading it, checking the subject heading, spell checking, and clicking all the links to make sure they work. Once you've done this, tick each of the boxes to confirm that you've checked the test email. Once you're happy with the campaign, press Activate and press OK. The campaign will then begin sending automatically at the date and time you selected. If you've offered a promotion in your campaign, you'll also need to link the promotion code to a discount reason in Shortcuts Fusion. To do this, go to the Setup menu and select Configuration. On the left-hand side, click on Discounts, then click New. Type in the name of the discount reason. Then enter the discount amount or discount percentage that your clients will receive. The checkboxes in this section determine whether credit is given for a sale item post or prior to the discount. If you tick an option in here, the credit will be calculated on the amount prior to the discount. If you want your sales to be credited at their price after the discount is applied, then leave this area blank. Then choose what the discount can be applied to. I'm going to select Services and Series only. Make sure this box is ticked if you don't want the operator to be able to change the discount amount at the point of sale. To link the discount to your Set and Forget promotion, first tick this box. Then select the relevant promotion code. Finally, press Save to save your changes. The promotion code is now linked to your discount reason, which will allow you to measure your return on investment. Now that you know how to create a referral campaign from a template, you can sit back and relax while your campaign does the work for you.